If you're a developer who uses Git, especially on a Mac, the operating system creates invisible files like dfstore to keep track of file operations. Now the same thing happens in an npm project, which creates a node modules folder. To prevent that from happening, you can create a Git Ignore file. Now this is going to tell Git not to send those files to your repo when you push things. You can also create a global version of that file so that it ignores files in all of your new projects automatically. I'm going to go ahead and edit this using the code command. If you don't have it installed, you can use the command palette and type in shell, and you should see a command that says shell command install code command and path. Once you do that, you can go ahead and open this up in Visual Studio Code using that code command. I'll keep it simple by adding just the node modules as well as the dfstore file, but you can put whatever you want in here. Let's go ahead and save the file. Now that we have this file, we can modify Git's globals using the Git core variable. That's going to allow us to specify the exclude file option and point that to the location of the file we just created. Now when we initialize a repo, it will use our defaults to ignore files in the future. There are lots of config variables that you can change. A pretty common one is to change the default branch name from master to main. By the way, you can do this on a case-by-case basis by using this command. If you want to shorten that, just add the -b option and the name of the branch when you create the repo. This will work in versions of Git that are 2.28 and newer. You can find out which versions of Git you have by using git --version.